how to add social share buttons to WordPress post. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing and like the video and comment. And if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add social share buttons to WordPress post. And the best plugin for this is Monarch. So currently guys, it's not a free plugin. You have to buy the plugin from elegantthemes. I have a 20% discount. You can go and check it out, and it's really easy to install. All you have to do is click on plugins, add new. Once you download the file from the website from elegantthemes, then all you have to do is just click on upload and just add this file. I've already installed it, so I don't have to do it. And then once it's installed, all you have to do is click on tools, click on Monarch setting, Monarch, and then just select. So these are how it is. So I would just select sidebar and I would select inline, save changes, and the next thing I would do is click on networks, and then I would, if I want to add some new networks, I would add. So let's say I want to add this like, I would add this, close. So just click add. Once it's added, so now it's not adding for some reason, but I'm just gonna add, apply. Oh sorry, I forgot to apply. And then just save changes, and then just go on view your site, click over here, and as you could see, I could see all the social sharing plugins, and it has a really good CSS 3D view. And even this one I really love, and it's mobile responsive as well. So if I just do this, so as you could see, it's mobile responsive. And then even over here, so anyone could view it, and it's not even heavy on your website speed. So there are some plugins which makes it really heavy, so your website loads really slow, but this Monarch plugin is really good. It keeps your website fast, and that's it. And also, if you're looking for a really good web hosting, I would suggest Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress, free domain for the first year, and just try it out. It's really fast, it's really easy. And thanks for watching. I would see you in the next video. So the free bonus I told you in the beginning, so I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. So if you're new here and if you are struggling to create a website, to decide the best themes, the best plugins, the best web hosting and the best settings for SEO, and how to rank on Google and how to get traffic, then this is the course for you. So you can just learn techniques to get free traffic to your website. The link is down below, and thanks for watching.